I've been waiting for you. I heard you're the best.
I've learned from the best.
I've got an important job for you.
What's in it for me?
I need you to find the identity of an unknown halide.
Jesse, what took you so long?
Yo, Mr. White!
What are you doing? You don't even have shoes on.
What are we cooking up today?
Alright, put that brownie down.
No!
Alright, put on these shoes, get some goggles, and meet me up.
Alright, let's get down to business.
Wait, you got a little brownie. We gotta have a plan first. Alright, Jesse. In order to find the identity of the unknown halide, we're going to make two solutions. First, we're going to make a solution of NH2CO3. And then we're going to add that to a solution of calcium halide, which is also aqueous. And that should give us... So, once we add these two solutions together, we're going to find the mass of the precipitate, and we'll use that mass to find the molar mass of the halide. First, we'll need distilled water, 50 milliliter graduated cylinder, two 150 milliliter beakers, unknown calcium halide and sodium carbonate, sidearm, Erlenmeyer flask with tubing and Buckner funnel, filter paper, watch glass, and spatula. First, zero to scale using weighing paper, then mass out 2.5 grams of sodium carbonate and 2 grams of unknown calcium halide. Measure out 20 milliliters of distilled water and pour it into each of the two 150 milliliter beakers. Pour the sodium carbonate and the calcium halide into each of the respective beakers and swirl until both are fully dissolved. Next, once both of the solutions are fully dissolved, combine the contents of both beakers. Swirl until a precipitate is formed. Connect the tubing of the Erlenmeyer flask into the side of the water faucet and turn on the water to form a vacuum. Then place a piece of filter paper into the Buchner funnel. Pour the precipitated solution into the top of the Buchner funnel. Rinse the contents of the beaker with additional distilled water and pour it back into the funnel. Repeat this step several times until the filtrate is clear. This is what the filtered precipitate should look like. Use the spatula to carefully fold the filter paper and remove the filter paper onto a watch glass. Once the oven reaches a temperature of between 110 and 120 degrees Celsius, place the watch glass into the oven.
With my bare hand?
No, Jesse, with gloves.
So, are you able to identify the unknown halide?
We identified the substance to be calcium bromide.
This seems too heavy. What are you trying to pull on me?
Did we do good or what?
Go back into the lab. Don't disappoint me.
Jesse, pull yourself together. Here, try yourself on.
That's it!
What?
We need to dry the precipitate longer. That's why it was heavier.
You're a genius. Alright, Mr. Frank. I'm sorry about the mistake we made yesterday, but we're pretty sure it's calcium chloride.
Now this is what I'm talking about.
Oh no, what is this mess? Always remember to clean up.